Okay, this is my second video about folding the Domino's boxes. This is the 1/4 scale Domino's box, and this is how you receive it. It'll be folded in half. So one fold is done for you. But anyway, so like you see, it's printed on both sides. All the fold lines are perforated, so they fold very easily, just like our smaller Domino's box. So you just fold the tabs right where you can see they should be folded, and like I said, it's perforated, so they just bend right where they're supposed to. It's very easy. So I bent the three tabs on there. Bend the other line here for the back of the box, the back wall. Then we do the front wall. Very easy. Again, it's all, just push it and it bends where it's supposed to. On the sides, this is where you're going to fold the white part up and just smooth it. Make sure bend the white part up really well, nice and crisp, 90 degree. Okay, and then at that point you can start bending the corners, and what you're going to do is you bend this in. It'll bend again on the perforation, and then you straighten the wall up and you can use your fingers to kind of make that corner a little bit crisper. But that's perforated as well, so it should do a pretty good job of bending right there on its own. If you want to make it a little smoother, tighter, you can take a tool, kind of make the seam a little crisper. So you do that for all four corners. And then you have the basic shape of the box done, right? So there's all the corners. Then on the back and the front, what you're doing is you're folding that wall up and you fold these tabs in. And in a real box, what happens is that the pressure of those helps hold these pieces in place. Because this is a lot thinner, it doesn't quite work that way. What I recommend with this is if you want to make it a box that can open like this, then you want to put some glue in here, and you just use good old Elmer's, and I'll show you putting little Elmer's on there. It's pretty easy. I'll just do one of them on this one and then show you one that's already finished. But it's pretty easy. Elmer's sticks pretty fast. You can use any paper glue, it really doesn't matter. And you get those to stay right in place like that, and makes it nice and rigid. So when it's finished, they're all glued down. It looks like that. Now it can open and close. Closes nice and tight. Looks just like a real box. Has little vents. That should be a little bit back, but you can see it has the exact same design as the real box. Also, you'll get a little flyer that you can glue on the lid like this. I just put a couple dots of glue on there and glued it. I'm not gluing them on ahead of time for you because I don't know if everybody wants that or not, but that's going to be included as well. And that's it, and it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward, and I think they look pretty good. One other thing, they're 4 inches wide. So, from my understanding, I don't have the NECA 1/4 inch or 1/4 scale pizza slice, but I understand it's too big for a 4-inch pizza box. If you made the whole pizza, it's not going to look right. It's not going to fit. But if you're just putting a couple slices in, it'll be fine. But I just want to make sure everybody's clear on that. This is 4 inches wide, which is for all you metric fans, it's 102 millimeters. And for the diameter of the box, or diameter of the pizza that'll fit in there. So like you said, it's probably a little bit small, but that's the biggest my machine could make it. So that's it. Thanks.